Hello and welcome. Come on in. I'm Renee Marcou, and I am here to tell you why you must get over the imposter syndrome in order to be a successful course creator. So, no matter where you're at in your life right now, maybe you are starting to look into a platform to become a course creator. Maybe you've had that idea in your mind for a while. But wherever you're at about it, maybe you are searching around looking for some ways to get your message out there, get your course out to the masses or to the community that you know you can serve best. The time is now to do it. So the industry of course creation is just growing massively. I'm a life coach. I've been in the life coaching self-transformational business since 11 years ago, and it has absolutely unfolded so much faster and so much more beautiful than I could have ever even imagined when I first got into this industry. So I have been creating courses for the last few years with one of my absolute favorite, actually the most favorite course creation platform called Kajabi. And maybe you've heard of them, maybe you're researching them right now, maybe you're already starting to work into the platform. And I'm gonna tell you real quick why I absolutely love them. They have everything all in one place. For me, when I was getting into course creation and putting out some courses for people that I knew I could really serve in my genius zone, I wanted a platform where I could go easily to and get everything that I need in that one space. I didn't want to have all these accounts with like all these email account, programs out there. I didn't want to have to do like all these funnels and get them from all these different accounts. You can end up spending so much money, and especially if you're starting out as a course creator, there's a lot of money that could be going out the door that maybe you don't really have to use right away, with advertising and building landing pages and all those other things that come with being a course creator. So when I stumbled upon Kajabi, I said, yes, this is absolutely the place I need to be and where I need to be putting out all of my courses. So I personally am a huge lover of Kajabi, and I'm so grateful for them because they've provided such amazing opportunity for me to get my message out to the world. So with that being said, I wanted to share how you can overcome imposter syndrome so that you can be a successful course creator. So I would like to assume that many of us course creators go through a process of thinking, am I good enough, or do I know enough to be able to teach the people I want to teach? Or am I good enough like in my service to be able to offer something where people will pay for it? And maybe those are some questions that you have running through your mind right now. I know that I had to face those several times so that I could really step into my genius zone. So for me, one thing I did was I actually sat with those thoughts and I just listened to what those thoughts were coming up, and I wrote them down on paper. And then I read through them and I was like, wow, this limiting belief or this limiting thought is coming to me from an outside source. It wasn't even the belief I had about myself, because I knew that I came here with a purpose, with a mission to be able to help my community and help the people that I'm here to serve. And so that thought process and that desire and big reason why actually became a lot bigger than that tiny little thought that was holding me back for so many years. So that was one thing for me. And I also realized too, and would be step two, also to know that I am the only one with my message, with my experience, with my knowledge, and with my lifestyle or life teachings in the world. So there's not another Renee Marcou out there. There's other people in my industry who talk on similar topics, but I'm the only one with my special talent and gift to be able to bring to others. So if I was to deny and believe those limiting thoughts about me not being good enough, or I'm being an imposter, I don't really know what I'm talking about. If I was to honor those thoughts, I would be disserving all of the people that I'm here meant to be able to serve and teach so they can have a transformation in their life. whether it's big or small, whether it's one niche or the other, whatever topic, right? And that's what's so beautiful about us being course creators, is that there is such a demand for it. So there's always going to be people who need our genius zone, who need to know what we have done to get where we are, so that we can teach them what it is that they need to know to experience that in their life. So those are my tips. Those are some things that I work through for sure. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to me or pop them in the comments and I can answer them and help you along really facing that imposter syndrome, because you are the only one with the gift that you can share with the world. So I highly recommend that you get into course creation and put your message out there for all of us to experience. Whatever level you go toward. If you're gearing toward a small community, cool. If you're gearing toward reaching hundreds and thousands of people, cool. It's amazing. And like I said before, Kajabi is my favorite. So click the link below and go check out their site. And there's a lot out there for Kajabi that you can learn a lot about, and also overcoming imposter syndrome. So if you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them and connect with you personally. And I wish you an amazing day and hopefully connect with you soon. Blessings.